How to block text message on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. Once you are in the app, open the message thread from the sender you wish to block. At the very top of the screen, tap on the contact's profile picture. This action reveals a set of options for that specific conversation. From the options, tap the Info button. Here, scroll to the very bottom of the screen and tap Block Caller in the red button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Block Contact to confirm. You will no longer receive any notifications or messages from this sender until you manually unblock them. Now, open up the Settings application. Scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Tap on Messages. Scroll down until you find the option Filter Unknown Senders and tap on it to turn on the switch. This action will block the person who is not in your contact list. Following these steps, you can easily block any text message on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.